How to fix 0x8096002a. The extraction operation was not completed in Windows 11. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix this issue. The first method is use 7-zip. 7-zip is added by default in Windows 11. So extract the file using 7-zip. Right click on the compressed file. Select show more options. Here you will find 7-zip. Click on extract files. Click on OK. The file will be extracted successfully. If 7-zip is not installed on your computer, then launch a browser and download the tool. Type 7-zip in the address bar. Press enter. Click on 7-zip. For 64-bit operating system, click on download. Click on the exe file and follow the on-screen instructions. Then right click on the zip file. Select show more options. Go to 7-zip and click on extract files. If the issue still persists, you will have to run system files checker and DISM command line tools. For this, click on search, type cmd, right click on the result, select run as administrator, click on yes, type sfc space / scan now. sfc space / scan-now. Here is double N. Take care about this and press enter. Let the process 100% complete. Once completed, go to the video description. In the video description, you will find both the commands. Copy the DISM restore health command because we have already run this command. So copy DISM restore health command, paste to the command prompt and hit enter. Let the process complete. Once completed, close the command prompt and restart your computer. Then try to extract the file. It should be extracted perfectly and successfully. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.